He is Vinay. He is strict and punctual. This is Sangrit, and of course, a topper. Mokshit, smart and cunning. He is Kushal, the laziest one. He is Jiman, a funny, confused guy.
Good morning, Sankrut.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. When will your friends join?
I'll call them soon. Ah. Hello, Jiman.
Hello, Sankar.
Class has started, man. Come fast.
Okay, bro.
Hemant,
Sir,
what were you doing till now?
while I was taking earphones, I fell down, sir.
Oh, live class.
And today's topic is Kushal. What, sir? Why are you late?
Sir. Sorry, sir.
This is the eighth time you are late.
Yesterday till late night I was completing the worksheets which you have given, sir. That's why it has become late to join the class. Okay, sir.
Reflection of light at curved surfaces. There are two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror and another one is Mokshit. Start the video. Chal,
Sir.
go and wash your face. The rays along the parallel axis passes through the focal point. Devant,
Sir.
what are you doing?
Sir, I'm seeing. I'm seeing, sir.
Okay students, it's time to clarify your doubts.
So what happens if we increase the focal length of the mirror?
Sir, can you explain the ray diagrams of concave mirror?
Later, he clarifies all their doubts.
I think you don't have doubts anymore. Then I'll ask you now. Devant,
Sir,
what is the radius of curvature?
center of curvature is a line joining on the earth. It is called the center of curvature.
Oh my god. Kushal, define concave mirrors.
Once repeat the question.
Define concave mirrors.
Concave. Don't know, sir.
Learn from your friends Sankrut and Mokshit. Okay, today's worksheet is
Now, students are copying worksheet questions. Kushal recalled to finish his worksheet, though he ignored. Demon accidentally drenched his worksheet.
good morning students, and you'll get a notice that we are going to consider your worksheet marks instead of FA marks.
No problem. Anyhow, I get good marks.
No problem.
Mochit and Sankrut, you can leave the class now. And Kushal and Demant, you stay in the class.
Hello? Sir, it's me, Kushal.
Yes, Kushal.
Sir, can you explain once more the mirror formula? Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello, Kushal. Have you completed your worksheets?
Yes, sir. I'm completing.
Complete it fast.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Bye.
Hello?
Hello, Demant. Have you done your worksheets?
Yes, sir, I'm completing now.
Don't delay it. Complete it fast.
Yes, sir, I'm completing. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Hello.
Hello?
Who's this?
Sir, I'm Demon.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt on refraction. Can you explain it once more?
Yeah.
Kushal receives a message regarding his marks.
Hello sir, it's me Kushal.
Hello, Kushal. Congrats, boy.
Thank you sir.
Yeah, it's all your hard work.
No sir, this is all because of you. You have taken care of me to do this all.
Keep doing like this.
Okay sir. Okay bye.
Hello? Sir, it's me, Deeman.
Hello, Demons.
Yes, sir. Sir, I got good marks.
Keep it up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks for supporting me, sir. I will do like that for next time.
Keep working hard.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
We often think that teachers always hate us and they always offend us, but their intention is quite different. They will shape our future and make sure that we choose the right path. They are the ones who impart knowledge and teach us everything important. There are only few people in our lives who impact our world, and I can proudly say that teachers are definitely one of them.
The most interesting thing is teachers see the potential of their students when no one else can. They push students into greater heights and become successful.
Moreover, they also teach us about ethical values and imbibe in our moral values.
Online learning. It's undoubtedly an effective learning for students. The digital class learn meetings and answers to every text, email or message is a way to assure students that teachers are there for them. But due to this pandemic, most of the teachers don't have any experience in operating digital gadgets, but they are learning to use them for us. But instead of appreciating them, many students are commenting them, and in that I am one of them. But I recognize that they are trying their level best. So I request all the students who are watching this video, please respect your teachers and understand their problems. Thank you and happy Teachers Day.
Today, we are celebrating Teachers Day and we wish all of them a happy Teachers Day. Thank you.